video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Link is down below. We've got mystery boxes on there. Guess what? They're only $24.99. You're guaranteed to get more value out of the money you spent or something like that. I'm not really good at pitching these things, but it's super dope, bro. Somebody who orders one of the mystery boxes is either going to get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, and we also got free jewelry on there with the link down below. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can add 2 free jewelry pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Yeah, good marketing. What's up, boys? NameBran here. Oh, what's NameBran? NameBran comes out when I'm a little pissed off, boys, if you guys don't know already. I'm gonna explain the situation because I made a promise to myself that I can't take back. Boys, it's late at night right now. I don't know where my roommate is. I don't know where my girl is. That's actually kind of threatening now that I think about it. They might be out in the motel over there. I don't even know how to get started. First off, thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a love. If you want a thumbs up, comment down below. Back to the bit. I've got a plan for this video, bro. And the plan is, actually, I'm gonna start with the plan that I previously had that I'm not pissed off about, bro. A little while ago, if you've been following the channel, I'm trying to stay cool, bro. I bought this watch, Gucci watch, super sick, real diamond. Actually, got my diamond tester here, engaged. For the freaking haters that might, I'm sorry, bro. I love you guys so much. Please thumbs up, comment down below. But for the haters, okay, well that didn't count. Okay, it's, one more. There we go. As real as it gets, we got diamonds all over the damn thing. The worst purchase of my life. I spent 10 grand on it, and now it's just a bad owner. I'm going off my rocker right now, bro. I'm so mad. I should probably explain why I'm mad. I tried to list this on eBay, bro, for like, I paid 10 grand. It's not worth 10 grand. I listed it for like 4 grand, and I waited till the day that that listing was done, which is like 30 days or something like that for it to be sold. It didn't sell. Therefore, I have to destroy it. Welcome to another video, boys. Yeah, let's smash my $10,000 watch and get more money than I'm gonna get from it from frickin' eBay. That's pretty much what it is. Vlog style. But, sorry, I'm looking for my frickin', got a coffee over here somewhere. Oh, there's my dog. How you doing? I can't find it. Anyway, you want to see these every night. We got a meltdown every night for you. I guarantee you that. I got a couple meltdowns in me all the time. So anyway, look at, we're smashing the damn thing. Y'all saw it's real. That's all I'm gonna do. Hopefully this video gives me 50 bucks, and you know it's more than I got off eBay. Although I could list it for 500. I didn't even think about that. Screw it, smashing it. Anyway, that's why I'm kind of mad, because once I make a pact to myself, it's kind of like you gotta go through with it. Like your word's your word type stuff. You know what I mean? So I'm not mad that it didn't sell, but my pact's my pact. I even wrote it down in my notes. Doesn't sell, you smash a thing. Now, I gotta go through with it. I don't want to smash the damn thing, but I have to, because I told myself I gotta smash the damn thing. Oh, that sounds crazy right now, but this is how it goes, boys. You know, your word's a word, especially to yourself. And I really, actually, need to get rid of this. God, you guys, if you want a video on the session I had with this the other day, I got somebody really crazy that freaking did it. I'm the jokester, like when you're playing with like the Ouija board, like I'm the one that might like move it. If you guys know Ouija boards, the thing moves. I'm the one, if anyone in the room is gonna move it, everyone's gonna blame me. I took my finger off at one point. That thing was skyrocketing with people that were crying while it was moving out of scaredness. And I took it off to prove that it wasn't me. Anyway, I don't know why that came out. Oh yeah, I wanted to throw it out. We're smashing it. The pack's a pack, boys. This thing did me nothing but wrong, ever, and I got goofed on way too much about how much I spent on it, so it's probably gonna be good to just rid it of my life. Also, I need a cutting board. I'm gonna smash that thing, not my freaking counter. Boys, thanks so much for the vlog, or being cool with the vlog. I should vlog more often. This is making me happy. I'm just sad that I have to smash the thing, but rules are rules, boys. Anyway, there's the Gucci watch. There's no flippy flops here with what I'm doing, as you guys know. The bird's the word, boys. She's good. Goodbye, watch. Ugh, I wish I did a better video with this, but I just had to frickin' vlog the second that I figured out that this didn't sell and that I had to smash it. Boys, RIP. Oh, she's a beauty. Oh, she actually is good quality. Oh, dang. Wish I liked it more. There we go. Well, there's a Gucci watch. Boys, thanks for watching. This is what it is. Hopefully we get more money out of this video than I would have on eBay. Now I'm actually full on regretting doing that. Yeah, there's a handful of regret right now. Ooh. This is when I turn the camera off usually, but this... I shouldn't have done that. Oh, I just broke the whole thing. The whole thing's done. Oh. That was stupid. Eh, whatever. Good video.